What if just one cup of juice tonight could clear sluggish circulation, calm your brain, and transform your body by tomorrow morning? Welcome to Senior Club, your trusted place for simple tips to stay strong, independent, and healthy every single day. Remember when mornings felt light, when you woke with energy, not aches, heaviness, or fog. When getting out of bed felt like freedom, not a fight. Dr. Sanjay Gupta has often explained how circulation and nutrition shape how we age. Beets are one of the most surprising foods he highlights because of their unique power to support blood flow, brain sharpness, and steady energy, protecting both memory and independence. Tonight, you'll discover how this ruby red juice supports sleep, circulation, and brain health. I'll share the simple recipe, the best timing, the common mistakes to avoid, and how this one earthy sweet habit can help restore your mornings. So settle in, grab a warm drink, and let's walk step by step through how 1 cup of beet juice can change your nights and your days. This is for education, not medical advice. If you take blood pressure or diabetes medication, always check with your doctor before adding beet juice to your nightly routine. Now let's uncover why sleep and energy decline so sharply after 60, and how circulation is the hidden key most people overlook. Do you usually wake up refreshed or tired no matter how long you slept? After 60, mornings can feel heavier than nights. Instead of refreshed, you wake stiff, foggy, and drained. Circulation weakens, blood vessels stiffen, oxygen to the brain and muscles slows while you sleep. That's why joints ache, eyelids feel heavy, and energy slips away before the day even begins. And it's not weakness, it's biology. Your body is changing. But without help, those changes steal energy, one morning at a time. The good news, just one simple, ruby red food has been shown to open blood vessels, restore flow, and bring mornings back to life. Do you feel weaker in the morning than you did before bed? Poor circulation is never harmless. It quietly damages everything it touches, from your brain to your legs to your heart. It limits oxygen to your brain, clouds memory, weakens legs, raises blood pressure, and slows your body's healing. What feels like just fatigue may actually be an early warning of strokes, memory loss, or dangerous falls. Dr. Sanjay Gupta compares it to a blocked highway. The cars are there, but nothing can move. And when your blood flow slows, your health slows with it. This is why mornings feel heavier, stairs seem steeper, and why you grip the rail just to catch your breath. Poor circulation steals independence one small step at a time. But the right choices can open those pathways again and bring energy back. Have you noticed your legs feeling heavier lately? The same sluggish flow that steals your energy can be opened again with something as simple as 1 cup of beet juice. Beets release natural nitrates, which turn into nitric oxide, a compound that widens your blood vessels, improves oxygen flow, and gently lowers blood pressure. With better circulation, your brain rests deeper, your legs feel lighter, and your mornings begin brighter. From its ruby glow in the glass, to its earthy, grounding taste, to the cool weight in your hand, beet juice signals renewal, a natural medicine hiding in plain sight. It's not about doing more. It's about giving your body the chance to work as it should, with one small, nightly choice. Have you ever tried beet juice before bed? Poor circulation blocks your body's rhythm. Beets work like no other food because they unlock nitric oxide, the key to flow restored. When you drink beet juice, natural nitrates convert into nitric oxide, a gas that relaxes and widens your blood vessels. Oxygen floods your brain like fresh morning air, your muscles feel lighter, and your blood pressure calms so the body can finally rest. Dr. Sanjay Gupta often reminds us, when blood flow improves, the brain sharpens, the heart grows stronger, and independence lasts longer. This isn't about forcing sleep. It's about removing the roadblocks, so your body remembers how to rest deeply again, the way it was designed to. Have you ever noticed how much clearer and lighter you feel after better circulation? Here's the simple bedtime recipe, a small glass that works like nature's own medicine. Step 1. Juice 1 medium beet, or pour a small cup of unsweetened beet juice. Step 2. Keep it light, 6 to 8 ounces is enough. More isn't better and may upset your stomach. Step 3. Sip it slowly, about an hour before bed, giving your body time to digest and relax. Optional, add a slice of carrot or apple for gentle sweetness, but keep it light, not heavy. Notice the hum of the juicer, The ruby glow in the glass, the earthy sweetness on your tongue, the cool weight in your hand, and the gentle warmth settling in your stomach. It's your body's signal that rest is on the way. This isn't a chore. It's a calming ritual, a nightly moment that prepares both body and mind for peaceful sleep. Would you enjoy it plain, or with a touch of apple for flavor? Timing is just as important as the drink itself. The wrong hour can steal your rest, but the right one can restore it. Drink too late, and bathroom trips may pull you from deep sleep. Drink too early, and the calming effect fades before your head touches the pillow. The sweet spot, one small cup about an hour before bed. Dr. Sanjay Gupta often reminds us, the body runs on patterns. When you match your routine to its rhythm, even small habits work more powerfully. This way, your body absorbs the nutrients, steadies circulation, and quietly prepares for deeper rest, the way a clock ticks softly into the night. It's not about being perfect, it's about finding a rhythm your body can trust every night. Do you usually drink anything before bed, or do you avoid it to keep from waking up? Even the best remedy can backfire if used the wrong way, stealing rest instead of giving it. Mistakes to avoid. Drinking a huge glass that bloats your stomach and wakes your bladder, adding sugar that spikes your blood then crashes your sleep, or sipping too late and losing precious rest to bathroom trips. The fix: keep it small, natural, and timed just right. Dr. Sanjay Gupta often reminds us, consistency matters more than excess. A small, steady habit works far better than overdoing it. Think of beet juice as a gentle helper, not a heavy load. Just a simple cup is all your body needs to feel the difference. Do you usually drink water or tea before bed? Beet juice works best when paired with the right habits. Without them, screens, snacks, and stress can undo its calming power. Turn off glowing screens an hour before bed so your brain isn't jolted awake. Skip alcohol and heavy snacks that weigh on digestion. Stretch gently to feel warmth ease into your muscles. And dim the lights so your body knows the day is done. Together, these amplify circulation, calm your nerves, and make your beet ritual twice as powerful. Dr. Sanjay Gupta reminds us, the brain responds to patterns. When you stack calming habits, the signal to rest becomes impossible to ignore. It's not just what you drink, it's the quiet message you send your body. You are safe, it's time to rest. Which habit would be hardest for you? No screens or no snacks. Dr. Sanjay Gupta has often explained, nitric oxide is one of the body's hidden keys to aging well, and when it slips, so does vitality. As we age, nitric oxide levels naturally fall, blood flow weakens, memory feels duller, balance becomes unsteady, recovery slows. But beets provide a natural way to restore this vital signal safely, effectively, every single night. It's not just about juice. It's about bringing back what time quietly takes away, clearer mornings, steadier steps, sharper memory, and the confidence to live fully. And the beauty is, nature still holds the answers, in something as simple as a glass of ruby red beet juice. Did you know your body's nitric oxide levels start dropping as early as your 40s? Beets are safe for most people, but like every remedy, they deserve respect. If you've had kidney stones, large amounts of beet juice may add to oxalates. If you have diabetes, the natural sugars can raise blood sugar. And if your blood pressure runs very low, beets may lower it further. For everyone else, one small cup is gentle, supportive, and safe. Start light, and notice how your body responds. Dr. Sanjay Gupta reminds us, safety comes first. Natural doesn't mean risk-free, it means knowing your body and using nature wisely. Think of it as a gentle tool, not a race. Your safety matters more than speed, because lasting health is built step by step. Do you take any daily medicines your doctor should double-check before you try beet juice? Without change, mornings can keep feeling heavy and drained. But with beet juice, progress comes faster than you think. After one night, many notice calmer rest. By the third day, mornings feel lighter, your breath steadier, your steps surer. By a week, memory feels sharper, eyes look brighter in the mirror, and energy begins to last. Dr. Sanjay Gupta explains that when circulation improves, the brain and body respond quickly, often in just days. These small wins build fast, proof that change is still possible, no matter your age. Would you notice more energy first in your mornings, or in your evenings? Oxygen is life's fuel, but when flow is low at night, sleep becomes shallow, restless, and broken. Poor circulation starves the brain of oxygen. You toss, wake easily, and mornings feel heavy. Beets release nitric oxide, widening your blood vessels so oxygen flows freely, nourishing your brain, calming your nerves, and restoring deep rest. Dr. Sanjay Gupta often explains, when oxygen supply improves, the brain resets faster, and energy restores more deeply. When your brain breathes easier, you rest deeper, waking with a clearer head, lighter body, and mornings that begin with strength instead of struggle. Have you ever noticed how your whole day feels different after just one good night of oxygen-rich rest? When blood flow slows, the brain feels foggy, names slip, focus fades. But better circulation doesn't just fuel your body, it powers your mind. Studies show beet juice boosts circulation to brain regions tied to memory and alertness. For seniors, that means not only deeper, calmer sleep, but sharper mornings and clearer days. Dr. Sanjay Gupta often explains, improved circulation is one of the simplest ways to protect both memory and independence. Imagine waking with a clearer head, remembering names more easily, following conversations without strain, and feeling like yourself again. Would you notice brain clarity most in your memory, or in your focus during the day? When the heart strains, mornings feel heavy, fatigue lingers, breath shortens, and risks grow. But your heart is your body's engine, and beets help it run smoother. Beets naturally lower blood pressure, relax blood vessels, and ease the heart's workload. Dr. Sanjay Gupta explains, the same foods that open blood flow for the brain also protect the heart, a double layer of defense against decline. When your heart pumps easier, your brain thinks clearer, your sleep deepens, and your mornings feel stronger, with energy to walk, climb, and live with confidence. Each small nightly cup is more than a drink. It's daily protection for the organ that carries you through life. Do you notice your heart feels calmer after eating heart-healthy foods? Losing independence begins quietly, hesitating on the stairs, gripping the rail, or avoiding a walk outside. But better circulation isn't just about numbers on a chart. It's about the life you live. When blood flows freely, your legs feel lighter, your steps steadier, your breath easier, your memory clearer. Every morning feels more secure, and every movement feels more your own. Dr. Sanjay Gupta often reminds us, circulation is the foundation of independence. Protect it, and you protect your freedom. Independence isn't just mobility, it's confidence. The confidence to climb the stairs, carry your shopping, or rise from bed without fear. Would steadier steps or clearer memory give you more confidence each day? After 60, mornings can feel foggy and heavy. But let's recap. One natural cup at night can begin to bring your rest and your energy back. Beet juice restores oxygen flow, calms blood pressure, and clears the brain. Dr. Sanjay Gupta reminds us, stronger circulation protects both sleep and independence. One small, ruby red cup, paired with simple nightly habits, can turn restless nights into peaceful mornings, and heavy steps into lighter confidence. Will you try beet juice tonight, and notice how your morning feels? Restless nights and heavy mornings don't have to define your days. Your nights can be peaceful. Your mornings full of energy. Dr. Sanjay Gupta reminds us, the simplest foods can often be the strongest medicine, and beets are one of those gifts. Stay strong, stay healthy. And don't walk this journey alone. Subscribe and join Senior Club, where together we discover the simple steps to live with strength, clarity, and joy. Your best mornings are still ahead. Some bedtime drinks look healthy, but can quietly steal your rest. In our next video, we'll reveal the one you should watch out for. Don't miss it, your rest deserves protection. Stay with Senior Club, and let's keep your nights peaceful together.